How do I get a restraining order in the state of Florida? The first thing you need to do is determine whether there actually has been an act of domestic violence committed on you. Usually someone would have called the police, they would have sought medical attention, or something would have happened to the point where they actually have to go to court and file a petition for protection against domestic violence, typically called a restraining order. Once you actually fill out the paperwork with the clerk of the court, then you actually call down there at 4:30 that day and they'll tell you whether there actually has been a temporary injunction issued. Once the temporary injunction is issued, you go down to the courthouse, pick it up, and there actually will be a date on the front of the injunction. You actually will have a court date within 2 weeks. At that point in time, you have to present all of your evidence, you have to have your witness there to testify as to what you feel the person did as far as an act of domestic violence. Those can also come in the way of a repeat violence injunction. If there's a neighbor that's harassing you, they can come in the form of a cyber stalking injunction if someone's sending you harassing emails or text messages, and also can come in the way of a sexual violence injunction if there's been some type of inappropriate touching or behavior. Ultimately, at the end of the day, the court will determine whether you have enough evidence to get an injunction, and they typically last for 1 year.